Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today we're checking out an awesome tool. I'm super excited for it. It's within brandyourself.com. So click on the link in the description below to get a free account. Then I highly recommend you take advantage of this service, improving Google results. Hopefully you saw the last video on how I scanned through and found all my Google results. If not, feel free to click on the card up here to watch that video. Now, we've got something called optimizing positives. So check this out. I can connect or put in a social media account that I want people to find on Google, and they're going to serve it up for me. So let's do Facebook. Let's go to facebook.com/author Spencer Kaufman. This is my Facebook page. Let me put the protocol here. There we go. So now let's submit that. Okay, please connect your Facebook profile to verify your optimization steps. Okay, so I got to log in here. Okay, probably going to want to receive some information, so we'll do that. And there we go. So now we can hit optimize and see what it is. My Google rank 100 plus. Optimization 0. So let's click this optimize and see what's going on. My goal is 65%. Enable public search. Is it done? Now this is for my personal profile, and they tell you exactly what you can do. I don't really want my personal profile to be that searchable, so I'm going to just leave that be. We'll go back to optimize the positives, and we are going to test this out and see if I can put in a website or if it's only social media. So let's see. Because like I said, I've never been on this part before. Okay, look at this. Personal website. Sweet. Google rank #1. I don't know what that means. It's probably good. So there are steps I can do. Optimize. Oh boy. Goal 65, and I'm at 65. So we can do decrease page load time. Optimize an H1 tag, advanced tactics. Let's click on that. And here we go. It'll tell me there are dozens of other things that can be done. I could learn more, schedule a call, and they'll help me out. It says it takes about 30 minutes of time. So I'm not going to go through it now, but that's pretty cool. It's got these different things. Now I'm pretty sure I have an H1 tag, so I'm not sure what that's all about, but maybe it's not working. I don't know. So basically we can add different websites. We can connect social media accounts. Looks like YouTube, WordPress. Look at all these other ones. Bunch of recommendations. You can connect all these different accounts and really get yourself up there in the search results. It says other properties, updated properties. So once you get them updated, you can keep going there. And if you want them to build your brand for you, you can schedule a call. Make sure you let them know that you were referred by Spencer Kaufman, and they will work with you on pricing and scheduling and all of that as well. So if you do call and you want some search results or some SEO services, let them know you were referred, and then they work with you on the price as well. So basically, you can go through this. Look at all these websites. You can connect any of them that you have and really start to dominate the search results for your name. Now, you could also do it for your business. Maybe you want to connect the Twitter accounts for your business rather than your personal, and then you have that. Now, the only thing that I'm going to say here is it looks like Facebook, I connected, I tried to do my page. It looks like it only does your profile. Hopefully that's an improvement they'll make sometime on connecting pages and trying to optimize the pages as well. So if you want to do your business, that would be great. If you have multiple businesses, then you're going to need a couple different brand yourself accounts. I'm sure if you call them, they'll work with you on that. And it looks like this is a great way to really build your Google search results on all of these different accounts. Look, there's Goodreads. I'm an author, so I can connect that. That would be awesome. And all these other spots. SoundCloud, because I have podcasts. Pretty cool. you can do this. Go through, take the time, and get yourself found on Google with this excellent service. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact them, live chat with them. They obviously know more about it than I do. Otherwise, feel free to put a post in the comments below. I'll get on there and help you out. Again, link to this page is in the description below. So I hope you stay tuned to future videos by clicking the subscribe button. Also, that little bell icon in the corner to be notified when new videos come out. Until next time.